Hello guys, good to see you back. Again, I'm back with a new tutorial related JavaScript DOM. And in this tutorial, we are going to learn DOM create methods. Basically, in JavaScript, we have total 3 create methods: createElement, createTextNode, createComment. Let's try to understand these methods. Suppose you want to add a HTML tag in your document using JavaScript. You want to add a new paragraph tag on your document. You can add any tag you want. To put a tag in your HTML page, you need to use a method, and the method name is createElement. And if you want to type text in your HTML document, for that you need to use this method, createTextNode. Suppose you want to add this text in your document. For that, you need to use this method, createTextNode. And if you want to add a comment in your HTML page using the help of JavaScript, for that, you need to use this method, createComment. So let's start the practical and see how we can use it. As you can see, side by side, I open my Visual Studio Code editor and my browser using Live Server extension. And I already created an HTML document named index.html. And inside this HTML document, we have a heading tag, DOM create methods. And also we link with a JavaScript file, DOM create.js. And in this JavaScript file, I'm going to use all the create methods. So at first, we are going to create an element in our document. So here I'm going to create a variable, where, and our variable name is new element, equal to document dot and our method name, which is createElement. createElement inside the round braces, inside the double quotes, and inside the double quotes we need to pass the tag name, which is paragraph P, and semicolon to end this line. Then I want to print this variable in my console. So here I'm going to type console.log inside the round braces or variable name, new element, then semicolon to end this line. After set this file, if I show you my console, as you can see, it's print our tag name P. Similarly, if you want to create different tag, suppose you want to create S2 tag. For that, you need to type S2 inside the double quotes. And you need to save this file. As you can see, it create heading to tag. So you can create any HTML element using this method, createElement. And now I'm going to show you how can we create text node. For that, I'm going to take another variable, where, and the variable name is new text, equal to, here I'm going to call our new method, which is createTextNode, document dot createTextNode. Then inside the round braces and inside the quotation, we need to pass the text. And here I'm going to pass hello world. And semicolon to end this line. And I'm going to save this file. And before I save this file, also I'm going to print this variable in my console. So I duplicate this line, and here I'm going to pass new text. If I save this file, as you can see in my console, it print the text, hello world. Here you can insert thousands of words, thousands of characters, as much you want. And now I'm going to show you how we can add and comment to an HTML document using the help of JavaScript. So again, I'm going to create another variable, where, and our variable name is new comment, equal to document dot createComment inside the double quotes. Just we need to type the comment. We don't need to use any greater than sign, otherwise exclamation sign. For now, I'm going to type this is comment. And then I'm going to print this variable in my console. So I'm going to duplicate this line, and here I'm going to pass new comment. After save this file, as you can see in my console, it's print this is comment. Here you can see the HTML comment, less than sign, exclamation sign, dash, this is comment, and greater than sign. So as you can see, using JavaScript, we can create HTML element, text node, comment, etc. In the next tutorial, we are going to insert this text node inside this element. So this is it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned.